Hey everyone, Chef Anthony here from Don's Appliances. I'm in the studio today with our rep from SubZero and Wolf, Rob Danzik. Rob, give everybody a big shout out.
Good morning to all.
Good morning to all. He's the best, you know what I mean? He'll sign autographs later, like I said, folks. But we have a hot topic today. We are talking about our Canonsburg showroom and the finished SubZero and Wolf display. We're sitting in it now. I mean, I think it's amazing. I think it's impeccable. Rob, can we go through, some of the building, talk, big shout out to Chris and the boys for putting it all together. I mean, Rob had a screwdriver and like a putty knife in his hand. He was doing stuff. So.
I did some painting, I will tell you. And as Chris said, I got everything under 4 feet is what he said. But yeah, so this came from a conversation that we had with ownership at Don's and Tim Hillebrand. Wanted to really spruce up the Canonsburg showroom, and we had a beautiful display in here, but it was a little dated. It was from 2010, and we wanted to kick it up a notch and really show some newer cabinets, some better lighting, better flooring, new paint colors and stuff. And he gave us a blank canvas, and he said, hey, you just work your magic and do what you do. Chris Boyle, our installation manager, designed the space from Cincinnati and just did an incredible job. But we wanted to put as many appliances as we could in basically an 800 square foot area without it looking tacky. You know? So we were able to fit 44 appliances, including we did a beautiful island with just cooktops in there. So if somebody comes in, they can look at, cooktop row here and have an island of gas, induction.
Really, right when you walk in, it really hits you. I mean, how big is this island? What, 20 feet or whatever it is?
Yeah, it's about right. 20 by probably about 4 feet.
Yeah, and there's 2, 4, 6. There's 15 pieces in here, and you see everything from the great induction 36s and the 15-inch modular pieces. But you also see a lot of the great gas configurations that Wolf carries as well. So I think it's a great variety, so a customer can really kind of see, the difference for, figuring out, do I need gas? Do I need induction? These are all these questions that, the scenarios that, you as the customer come in and wonder. And, to see it all in front of you right now, it really comes out huge. So, I mean, favorite product on the island. Go ahead for it.
I would say there's no doubt about it. It's probably our professional gas cooktop. It's what we sell the most of. Don's has done an incredible job with cooktop sales with our brands over the years. And we're seeing right now that induction cooktops are catching up to gas almost, even in a town like Pittsburgh, which is always a gas town. But I think our Pro Gas cooktop, which is a top seller at Don's with our product line, that dual stacked burner. We talk about single spark ignition, just easy to clean. They get it with the signature red knobs, which consumers love.
And that's going to come in a 30 and 36.
That's absolutely true. Absolutely.
I love that all day.
And our induction cooktop, the new induction cooktop, is spectacular. Just more and more popular out there. Just giving you the ability to simmer, melt, keep warm on all burners. You can bridge if you want to. I know you love the induction top.
I do. I'm a huge fan, especially the way it's situated here. I mean, they have it, flush inset. Then they have it in that transitional with the trim kit piece. Am I saying that right? You know me. 100%. I probably butchered it, but
nope, you got it.
Yeah. But I mean, I love that look. I mean, if you want it smooth, flush to the countertop, that's just the look for me.
And then we wanted to put ranges in.
Let's go round robin. Yeah, what's over there? Let's dual fuel range is my heart and soul, though. We do some dual fuel range.
There's no doubt about it. So in conjunction with Rob Sobeck, who's a manager down here and one of the best salespeople in the company, we talked about what to put down here, and we put a 60-inch dual fuel range in. We're one of the few manufacturers that have a 60 dual fuel that give you 2 full 30 ovens. We got a 22-inch griddle on there, so a double griddle. And obviously, if somebody wants a 48, they can get a 48. But that's 60. With the footprints of the kitchens nowadays, they're so much bigger that a 60 doesn't dwarf a kitchen anymore.
You're right.
So that is a wonderful one. We put it on
gas. And that's a lot of cook space too. I mean, you're talking over 20 inches of griddle space. Plus what? What do you get? 6 burners. You know what I mean?
Absolutely.
6 power burners. And then the new addition is the colored knobs now on the dual fuel ranges, right?
So,
I mean, as an option,
So you can get come standard with red. Obviously is what Wolf is synonymous with. You can get black or stainless, but they have brushed brass and brushed gray now.
Yeah.
And so you can get the bezels too as well, coming to a theater near you soon.
Coming to a theater near
So
you.
if you want to get that old world look and have a little bit of brass to maybe match some handles or some accoutrements in your kitchen, you can pull that off as well.
Yeah, or even if you want to get funky and change it up for a little bit and go back to your iconic red. Listen, iconic is red. You know what I mean? I'll say it. You know, I do agree. You know, back wall has just a beautiful look of refrigeration.
Yeah.
And don't forget, we got to talk about the butter cup drawer, the new piece,
the
magnetic
keeper,
butter keeper. But you know, talk about the difference in why we picked those Frenches back there and things like that. So.
Yeah. So what we did is the most popular SKUs that Don sells. Obviously, big into French door now. Obviously, everything's right in front of you when you open up those doors. But the newest addition to our lineup is a 48 French door. One of the few manufacturers that make one. And we came out to market with it earlier this year. Don's got the first 48 French door in our 6-state geography delivered last week.
She's a beaut, Clark. Man,
she is a beaut. Done training the last couple days here, and everybody opens it up. It's unbelievable. The lighting on the inside is amazing. Stainless steel trim on the shelves and the deli and the crisper drawers. Just unbelievable. But you and I were joking this morning about this butter keeper. So you know it has a little false bottom that you can fold up. So if somebody has a bottle of wine, a little Chardonnay, or they have a taller Perrier bottle, you can put it in there, and it's not going to take up.
I love it. Amazing spot for your wine too. You know what I mean? Even the refrigerator, even the freezer drawer on the bottom, massive. You know what I mean? They went from the wire racks, they went all the way to the metal shelving and the one drawer slides, right? You know?
Yeah. So if you have a turkey or you have some large Costco chicken nugget bags or anything, and you need a little deeper space, you can literally slide that over and it'll give you that deep space to put in there.
I love it. All right, minute and a half left. Let's round robin through the whole thing. We got the I'm turning around here. We got the coffee maker, which is outstanding. You know what I mean? Little 12, 13 different features on it. I mean, it's beautiful. What else you want to hit?
So we got wine storage. We got all the designer series, which are just beautifully installed with 1/8 inch reveals, beautiful custom wood cabinets on there. So your refrigerator disappears. It's like an armoire situation. And then of course we have our contemporary cooktop, where the knobs are on the front, flush inset with a beautiful working downdraft behind it, so everybody can come see that. And then we have Wall Oven Alley there, where we can show you our E-Series and M-Series ovens, our speed oven, our convection steam oven, all in one spot.
It's a beautiful, beautiful display. Guys, you got to come down to Canonsburg, check out this new display and these fabulous products from SubZero. Well, Rob, I just want to say thanks, dude. A rock star as always.
You're the man.
Appreciate you getting on the show.
Great
and,
spending
taking time out of your amazing.
Great spending a 7:30 in the morning with you, bro.
Listen, he's just as good at 7:30 as 7:30 at night. So guys, go to DonsAppliances.com. If any questions you have, come to our Canonsburg location and check out our fantastic new addition to the showroom. Thank you so much and enjoy.